again, YouTubers. So I am doing a new type of video today. I'm actually doing a video where I'm going to talk to you guys about the top sellers through all of my posts the last month. So for the month of January, I kind of have, so I use reward style, as you guys know. So the links below for most products take you through a reward style process, which then takes you to the website where I purchased it, or you can purchase it. And then once you purchase, I then get paid a portion of that, a very small portion of that. However, with that being said, when you do that, it helps support my channel. It helps keep me being able to do this for you guys and buy items to try for you guys and show you guys things and try them on and things like that. So what I decided to do every month, for the most part, we might miss one here or there, we know how that goes, is I'm going to sit down and I'm actually going to show you the items that you guys, as the consumer, as the person watching these videos, purchased the most through the month. Now, for the most part, this is anything through my Instagram. So if you like a picture on my Instagram and you buy it through the email you get, the Like to Know It app, any of these avenues. And then also on my stories, a lot of times if I use the swipe up feature, when you follow that link, it takes you as well to a way that I can get a portion of what you're purchasing. It is basically a way of you saying thank you to me for giving you this information. It's very similar to if you went into a store and talked to a salesperson and they were paid a commission on it. Ours is way smaller than what most stores would be, but it's still, you know, it's a nice little thing that kind of helps all of this keep going. That being said, I'm going to jump right into it. We've got a good amount of different stuff. I will say that the majority of this is clothing and accessories and things like that. There's one beauty item and one kind of like household item. Jumping right in, the first thing I'm going to show you is what I'm wearing. It is from Airy. It is called the side zip sweatshirt. I have this in a medium. The sleeves are like a regular length. I like to pull them up. I love the tie. I love that the neck is looser with the big, you know, hood on it. The side zips are amazing. I have it in two colors. I have this kind of caramely taupey kind of color, and then I also purchased it in the black gray color as well. So you're talking same thing. It has the nice ties to it. The zips on the side are amazing. They have it on both sides. It is such a soft and comfy sweatshirt. It's crazy. Perfect for throwing over a pair of jeans, a pair of leggings. Like today I have on a pair of like Moto style leggings. If you're going to work out, if you're just running errands, or if you just are around the house and want something comfortable. I'm obsessed with them. Next thing I'm going to show you was a pair of sneakers that were a hot seller, and I am loving them, and I'm going to put them on as soon as I'm done here. These are from the Adidas. They are the Swift Run, and they are in a size. Which size did I get for these? I did have to size down these. These are an 8, so I am typically an 8.5. And I did have to size down in these. These are super cute. This color is actually called black and white, but if you can see here, it definitely has a gold sparkle to it. They're just cute. They're fun. They have, like, you know how typically like the tongue moves around? They have the stationary tongue. You can slip them right on. You can do anything with them. I'm going to go run today, and that's what I'll be doing with them. But they are super, super comfortable. I am absolutely loving them. The only thing I will mention is I did not personally like them for step class when I did step class, because it goes down really low on the ankle, and I just felt like my ankle didn't have as much support as some other shoes. But it's great for running because that's kind of like a straight back and forth. It's not a side to side type of thing. So that is an option there. The next thing, these are currently on sale, and these are a pair of booties from Nordstrom. It is called the Jacend, J-A-C-E-N-D. They have a lower heel. It's a good size block heel to it. They have a zip on one side, nothing on the other. It goes higher in the front and lower in the back. It also has goes down to like a little bit of a point, but it is a rounded toe. So it's not a completely round, but it's not a pointed toe. It kind of gravitates towards the front and then rounds off. These are ridiculously comfortable. I'm trying to see what size I got these in. It's by a brand called First State. And let's see here if it says. I will have to look and note that somewhere here. I might have to find the box or look online. Oh, here we go. It's going to show me. I got these in a 9. So typically in shoes, I'm an 8.5. In booties and boots, I tend to buy a 9 because I want to wear socks or be more comfortable. Plus with booties, I like a little bit more room. Boots, I definitely do because I like to wear a thick sock with a boot. But anyway, they are so cute. They're perfect for that transition piece as we start getting a little bit nicer in weather. These actually look great with jeans tucked into them or rolled up. They're so cute. They come in 4 different colors. This is called the Stone Suede, I believe is the name of the color. And I love them. I absolutely love them. The next thing, hot ticket seller for the month of January. Everyone loves them. You know I love them. I have multiple pairs. This is the Spanx faux leather leggings. I have them in the traditional black. I have them in the wine color. I have the black in medium and in large. I wear medium when I want to wear them and like really suck it in. And then I wear large when I just want to wear them with like a sweatshirt like what I have on. I actually like the wine with this. If I wasn't wearing something already today and going to the gym, I might wear these with this sweatshirt. The wine color is hard to see in the lighting, but it's a pretty like plummy wine color. It's very pretty. These are expensive. They are not inexpensive. However, they will last you forever. The medium pair in black that I've had for 4 years, and they look exactly the same as the day I bought them. I will mention as well, another option in the black is the Moto Leggings. I'm obsessed with this. I love these with a pair of sneakers. Like, look at that stitching on them. The back of the knee, they are just so amazing. I think it's like $10 or $15 more than the traditional pair of Spanx faux leather leggings, but I love them. Last clothing thing I'm going to talk about is also from Nordstrom. It is from Caslon, and it is called the Cozy Knit Tunic, I think, sweater. This is what it looks like. It is just so comfortable. It has a big, thick cowl neck at the top. It goes down. It has a pretty seaming. It has a side slit. The sleeves bell out and have the fleece rolled up, same as the bottom, and then it's stitched on. It is just so cute, so comfortable. Last time I checked, I think it came in 3 or 4 different colors, and they were selling out quick, so run if you want one. This is just, as you can tell, it seems like everyone who is following me and purchasing through my links has the same style as I do. They want to be comfortable. Like, all of your favorites that you guys have purchased are things that are favorites of mine. Next thing I'm going to show you is an accessory. I purchased these. These are the Key, Q-U-A-Y, High Key by Desi Perkins. I have them in a 62. They also come in a 57. What that means is that's the size of the frame. So these are a 62, and they're the larger frame. So if you feel as if this would be too large for you, you can go down to the 57. I thought I had said they were around the $50 range, and someone I think told me they were 65. I'm not 100% sure of that, but still, they make the most amazing sunglasses. I have 2 different pairs from there, and those, I mean, I've got Tom Ford, I've got Chanel, I've got Ray-Ban, I've got all kinds, and I grabbed both my pairs of keys before anything else. It's pretty impressive. On the beauty line, you guys purchased and loved, and so do I, the Beauty Junkies sponge set. This is what it looks like. Now, they had 2 different sets that I had linked. One is sold out, and this one they were both bestsellers for you guys this month. The one had the black sponge in it. This set does not. The one with the black sponges has sold out, but this set is still available. It is like super inexpensive. If you ever liked a beauty blender, these blow the beauty blender out of the water, in my opinion. They are awesome. They are great. They just have a different texture, and they work amazingly. If you love a beauty blender, pick these up. It's a fraction of the cost. If you weren't sure about the beauty blender and didn't really love it, pick these up because these will blow your mind. They are amazing. That's all I use to apply stuff anymore is beauty blenders and beauty junkie beauty blenders. I don't even know what the actual name. I'm sure they're called like foundation sponges or something. I call them all beauty blenders. The last thing was a lifestyle type thing, and this was my A stand by Lamicol. I bought it on Amazon. It is amazing. I need one for downstairs. My girlfriend Dina picked one up too, and she was like, how did I live without this thing? It sits on my desk. It has a hole for the charger to go up through. The phone sits right here. I don't have my phone with me. The phone sits right here. You can see it while you're doing things. Like if you're cooking, it's perfect in the kitchen. If you are at a desk, it's sitting right there. You're not looking down all of the time. It's just sitting there. You can see everything. It is such an amazing purchase. It also moves up and down. If you're someone like me that you're on Instagram or things like that, put it on hands-free, click the button, and you can sit there and talk while it's sitting on the stand. It's just, I absolutely love this. It was like one of my best purchases for the month of January. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I just thought it would be a fun way to be able to sit down and tell you guys what the things are that I have purchased that everyone else seems to be purchasing and loving just like I am. Maybe it's something you were kind of like, oh, I don't know, should I, shouldn't I? And then you're seeing it in this video and you're like, yep, I should have done it, or I should do it. I will not show items I think that are sold out, or I will do my best not to. I try to check them before I go on. But I will say these, they have limited sizes and colors left, so go quickly. And also the Caslon sweater with the big cow neck and the fleece-like sleeves. This one is selling out fast too. So these, actually they still had them, but they were limited colors and limited sizes. So just, if these are things you are interested in, definitely go down below, follow the link, go pick them up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.